YouTube, got a package. Time for some unboxing. My replacement LED lights and the return hose to my power steering. I bought a new power steering pump earlier and I'm replacing it, but I'm buying all new lines to go with it. This is the return line, and the next one I'm going to get is the main line that goes from the power steering pump to the rack and pinion. So this is going in the parts room, and now let's open up those lights and see what they look like. Yeah, this is a rush shipment. Since my other ones, one of them went bad, they shipped me one rush. They didn't even put it in a box. They just put it in a basic package and sent it. But who cares about that? Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Now these look different than the other ones. As you can see here, it doesn't have that big round cylinder. This one is flat and it has the chips. Couple in the front, and then it has like a rectangle with chips on each side, LEDs on each side. As you can see, they plug in just like the stock bulbs. So let's go outside and swap these out and see what they look like. Okay. It's pretty bright. Okay, that's the LED backup light. Okay, I got the other side in already. That one's blinking. Up, now time to put everything back together and see what it looks like. Before we start, I'm going to do it before. These are with the stock bulbs. And there it is. It is brighter than the other ones they gave me. I'm going to make a video of what it looks like at night later tonight. So far, so good. Until then, I see you.